The AstraZeneca vaccine is a type of DNA vaccine that is aimed to protect humans from the coronavirus. With an efficacy rate of 76%, it is clear to see that the likelihood of getting ill from the COVID disease is drastically decreased. The AstraZeneca vaccine is essentially just a weakened version of a common cold virus that is common in chimpanzees. Since chimpanzees share similar traits with humans, we can provide a similar desired outcome. This common cold virus, known as adenovirus, is also genetically modified to contain material that is commonly present within the coronavirus, but cannot change forms to become the coronavirus. One such example of a common similarity is that it contains protein spikes on the virus that helps attach itself onto a cell in our body. The coronavirus works by attaching itself inside the cell and attaching the RNA inside it to hijack one of our cells in our body, and in doing so, it can replicate the virus tens of thousands of times in less than an hour. The modified virus in the AstraZeneca virus contains these protein spikes, and once latched onto a cell, it will proceed to push its DNA inside the cell that copies itself into mRNA. Once the cell reads the mRNA, it will then produce the spikes on the cell, in which some of the protein spikes move towards the exterior shells, and these protein spikes are then recognized by our immune system. The adenovirus also provokes the immune system by making the hijacked cell turn on its alarm systems. After the vaccinated cell dies, its proteins will then be picked up by an antigen-presenting cell, which will put the contents on the surface of the cell and which the helper T cell will pick up. That way, when the coronavirus enters, the T cells will be able to detect the virus and will know how to fight coronavirus better, rendering it be useless in most cases. The AstraZeneca vaccine is considered as a very safe vaccine. It may be common to feel sick after the injection, but it is your body learning to fight against the pathogen. Symptoms can include pain at the injection site, chills, fatigue, muscle pain, etc. However, none of these are life-threatening. Although there are reports of blood clotting called thrombosis, which is a serious side effect, the chances of someone getting this is very rare. Less than 3 doses in every 100,000 can produce this result. You are 30,000 times more likely to die from a motor vehicle crash than to get a blood clot.